Hi, today is uh, February 7th, 2025. So I made a podcast. Hey, you be nice. I made a podcast of clipping, be kind, humble. I made a podcast of uh, clipping rosemary plants and how you propagate them into growing and all that. And I I tried this new thing where you turn the phone sideways, so you got the long view. So now I'm going long view. I used to always have a phone this way, right? So now I got that phone. I got a stick in my hand. You clip your phone to it, and that's why I can go further away. Whoa, whoa. So I did is I came out here and I recorded all the process. I got all the dirt and everything. So I had the phone, the camera flipped the other way. I made two podcasts in a row like that. What the heck are those? What are they doing? Some sort of swarm of bugs. That's weird. 1st of February. So here's my rosemary, and I'm going to show you how I clip them. Right. What I do is I'll go down here and just clip something like that, about that length. And what I did is I clipped about 8 of them. I think it was 8, 6 of them. So I clipped 6 of them, and I get these cups. They're just little cups, plastic cups. I'll buy them in a package of like 50, and then I'll get my soldering gun, and I'll quickly. What I'll do. What I'll do is I'll quickly, melt some holes in those. Well, does something eat my rosemary? It's like, what? Oh no, there they are. So I got them in the ground here, so you can see my rosemary here, right here. So what I did is I clipped them and then I peeled them down. I put them in about probably 3 inches, 3 inches, most of the way down the cup. So you can see the cup here. So I took the leaves off and I put them down probably about that far, the sticks, right? Because the moisture is going to be more moist the lower you go. If you stick those down too shallow, that's going to stay too dry. So you really want you want to peel off those leaves and really get them down there, right around there. These are just little cups. You can see the little hole there, right? Soldering gun. I just sit there and I did 50 of them in a row. Well, that sun's kind of, yeah, the sun. Here comes the sun. And so I took, those bulb diggers. So I take my bulb digger and I just, like I'm going to, bury a bulb. And I pull that section of dirt out. Fits these cups perfectly. I like to put them in the ground because the ground is warmer. And so so there's 3 rosemary plants here. And I'll take those and put them in the ground. If I don't put them flush with the ground, I'll take them in the house and put them in my bright window. So I just take them, put them in a hole. I'll show you. I'll show you my bulb digger, just really quick. Got myself a real quick hole, and I grab one of those cups with whatever plant I have in it. I pop that baby right in the ground, and I'm done. I don't put no pressure, I don't like compressed dirt around or nothing because it's a perfect hole and it just slides right in there. Well, I guess I probably left it out somewhere. Who knows, right? I mean, I do so many projects that it's like I'm doing a project like, oh, I think I'll go and do that project. Oh, I think I'm gonna take a break from this one, do this other project. Yeah, one of those guys. And so that's kind of it. And I just wanted to share that being able to, how I do the rosemary, because it's just a plastic cup. And yeah. Then when they grow their roots, I put them in a pot and I can sell them or give them to friends or whoever, right? Whatever you want to do with them. They're there. And so if you don't mind, I'd appreciate you subscribing, thumbs up. And I'm going to be making some podcasts about my strawberry plants that I'm going to be digging them all up, separated, because what they do is the strawberry plants make babies right on the same root. And when that happens, I always get these little tiny strawberries. But if I can keep them, if I can keep them with just one strawberry plant, I get big ones, you know, the nice ones you see at the store kind of thing, right? So yeah, so I'll make a video of that down the road here, coming soon, on how I do that. And I got what's called strawberry runners. Well, I'll just kind of show you real quick. My strawberry runners, I built these from pallets. I just broke down the pallets, and there they are. I brought those from my backyard. It was so difficult always watering those every day. So I brought them to the backyard, from the backyard, and I put them all up here in the front. And so I'll give you an idea of how important it is to divide these, right? So you can see how these are undivided. Just all clustered up, bunch of strawberries all. There might be 40 in that. It looks like there's not 40, but there's like a bunch of them all clustered together. And so what I did is I divided them, and now I only got 4 in this whole strip. Right? So they got plenty of root space, and they'll be happier. And if they're happier, they're gonna give me some bigger strawberries. I had like, I don't know, 500 strawberry plants or something, and I didn't get as near as many strawberries from that as I felt that I should. So I says, you know, I'm gonna have to use a different approach. I'm gonna keep it 1 plant per so-and-so space and see how they do. And so that's it. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. Have a good day now. Bye-bye.